All right, hey, it's Sgt Locksmith here. All right, we're going to open a 2017 Toyota Yaris with these three tools. This is one way to open the vehicle. The other way is to leash the door, make a key, but this we're going to do just with a quick tool. So with that being said, when you walk up to the customer's vehicle, use the driver's side door unless you see scratches, dents, or anything on here. And if it's the same way on the passenger side, make sure you point it out to the customer and you put it on the receipt. That way they don't come back after you. So with that being said, with your tool, make sure you have a coating on it and you have a rubber tip. If your rubber tip has the rod showing, go to a parts store, get you a vacuum cap kit. They're like $3. That way you can protect the customer's car. With that being said, let's go ahead and start this. Take your, I use the one-handed wedge. Insert the top, insert your bag. When you get your bag in, push it as far in as it can go. We'll go ahead and pump the door, the bag, to get the door open. Now when you pump, only open it enough to where you need to get your tool in. Looks like we're good there. So go ahead and put the tool in. Me personally, I don't like asking the customer to help. This one here, I'm actually grabbing the button since the button's on top. And when you get on the button, you'll see your rod will bend a little. Go ahead and remove your tool. And go ahead and deflate your bag. Hey, thanks for watching.